Okay, hi everyone. This video is just going to demonstrate how you can resize an image or change the aspect ratio or crop your image to the aspect ratio that you want to make sure that all the images are of a similar shape and size. For our web design, I think it says the grid needs to be 960 wide, something along those lines. We'll assume that for the moment. And I'm going to make this image 960 wide, and I'm going to retain the current aspect ratio. You need to open up the Photos app, which is a default app that comes with Windows. To make sure that it opens this image up with the Photos app, I'm just going to go right mouse button, go down to Open With, and choose the Photos app. And here is my image inside the Photos app. You can see here, this is the size of it. It's a 4:3 image. I want to make it 960 wide. I just click up the dots up here. I go resize image. This is going to retain the aspect image, the aspect ratio of the image. This is locked, so if I change the width, say to 960, then it will change the height appropriately based on the aspect ratio of the image. I am happy to retain the quality as 80% high. This gives me a good quality image, a reasonably small size, which is perfect for my thing, and it's going to retain it as a JPEG. Yes, it's a bit lossy, but it's perfectly fine for the web. So I just click on Save. I'm saving it into the same folder, and I'm going to give it a new name. I'm just going to say image 960 car tree, so I know what the image is, and just click Save. So my image is now the right width. I'm going to go back. I've still got the same original image, and you can see here it's still 4032 by 3024. You can see that now I have a separate image in my folder, and I'm just now going to show you how you can check and change the aspect ratio. I'm just going to go up to Edit. It opens up in the crop mode, which is where we get to view the aspect ratio and where we can change it. If it doesn't open up into crop, say it opens up into something else, you can just click on the crop tool and it opens back up. I'm just going to click on Free down the bottom here. And if, for example, all my other images have a different aspect ratio to what my current image has, all I need to do is choose what that aspect ratio is. This is my current aspect ratio. Let's say that I want 16:9, like so. It's just kind of picked the center of the image by default, but I can very easily just move the image around so whatever fits inside that cropped area is what my new image will be. And all I need to do now is, happy with the 16:9, just click on Save. I'm going to save it as a copy, and this time I'm going to call it image. I'm going to go 16:9 car tree. Quite happy to save it as a JPEG, and all I need to do now is click Save. This is my new image. If I then want to change the size of it to make it back to 960, if I make it uniform, to make it uniform with the other images, I can just click back on here, just go resize image. It's now 4032 because the width was fine and it has a different height. I can go back to 960, 540, and keeping it as a JPEG, keeping it at 80% high, just click Save. Give it a new name. So just adding 960 on the bottom, so it's image 16:9 car tree 960, and just click Save. And that is all you need to do. And now I have a range of images here. My original image, which is over here, my image that is now 960 wide with the same aspect ratio, my image over here that is 16:9 aspect ratio, and this image here, which is 16:9, 960 wide. Again, if all my images are that aspect ratio, then they will all look pretty in a grid and will all line up well, and there won't be any larger borders or white spaces in it. Thank you.